today I am replacing the batteries in my tire pressure monitor sensors. And I didn't even realize that this was an option that you could do this. But yes, you can change your tire pressure monitor sensor batteries. Each of these come with a small little battery that's on the inside, and you can just take them off, take them apart, and voila, they're working again. I thought I had to go online and buy a whole new sensor because they sort of look like they're self-contained. But real quick, I'm going to show you how to change your tire pressure monitor sensor batteries. Sort of this anti-theft protective cover that goes over top, and then we're going to pull the sensor off here. This actually comes apart. So right here, got a tool that will do it, and then the new battery slips right in there. So I got the slide in right now because I'm working on the tires. However, this is our little tire pressure monitor sensor, TPS sensor, tire pressure monitor, TPM sensor. And this is the tool that comes with it. And with this tool, you just put the sensor in like this, basically, and then I can take and turn this off. It's not on super tight. I know you can't see through my fingers like this, but I can unscrew this. It's just sort of snug. And so now I've got it off, I take it apart, and it looks like this on the inside. Hopefully that's in focus for you. There we go. Our battery new battery is in there. And we can now put this back together. So they did send additional O-rings for the sensors. However, these O-rings look good. So I'm just going to tighten this up as best I can just by hand here. Like so. And I actually don't think I'll get it any tighter with the tool. A little bit tighter. That has a new battery in it. We can go ahead and put that right back on the camper. And I'm going to go and reset because all of the tires got moved around and all of the sensors got moved around. So I don't even know which sensor goes to which tire right now. So when I originally set these up, each one of these was coded in here. And you can link them. And I don't really want to unlink them because I don't remember how I unlinked them. So what I want to do is put this on. And see if it will pick it up right away. There we go. So we can see that that one is right here, right away. So we can see that that one is the back right. So it should actually go on this tire right here. Now you can hear the alarm going off. So that's what happens when you're driving down the road and all of a sudden you lose tire pressure. This will say, hey, you've lost tire pressure. So right now it's back up because we have tire pressure again and it's happy. Okay, so now we should have all 4 tires with sensors on them again, which is awesome. Awesome. That's how it goes, guys. I had no idea that the tire pressure monitor sensors had batteries in them and that you could change them. And that's me not reading the owner's manual, I guess. And so now with my easy tire monitor, I am ready to go again. All it took was 4 batteries. So that's how you change them. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you found this super helpful. And if you have any questions or any ideas, anything that you found about your tire pressure monitor system, please leave them in the comments below. We love to hear about them. Like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. We will see you in the next video.